Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, to address this topic, I definitely want to mention my father. I personally believe that parents are the only person who always stand with you, whether your condition and the problems are there going good or bad with you. So it was a time when I was getting admission in my master's program in Punjab University. At that moment, I reached in the university and forgot my transcript and my document file at home. I was totally sorry. I was totally, feel that I'm stuck over here, and there is something went wrong with me. I was looking here and there that who will be there who could help me that moment. So suddenly I called my father at that moment, and he firstly advised me to calm down and don't take all these things over my head. So he told me that he is just sending me the PDF file of my documents, and I should just avail internet services if I could. So I arranged the internet that moment, and then he sent me that PDF file. I just rushed to the internet cafe there, and I take out some prints of that. But unfortunately, I can say that a person who is going somewhere must check that whether all the necessaries and belongings are there with him or her. So he smartly behaved with me. He didn't say anything bad to me. He just realized that I am in a problem right now. And then later on, I understand that this was my big mistake. And I realized that moment how efficiently my father helped me.
Okay, thank you. You have spoken for 2 minutes. You started very well, and then suddenly you
Actually, I forgot
the word
yeah,
actually.
the word
So
actually.
in actual exam, if anything happens like that, come up with anything and go on, because you know
Yeah.
that one pause gave you a feeling,
Yeah.
now I can't do it. Okay, but you started well, right? The mistakes which I found, like is that I was totally feel that. So you
Right.
could change it. Like I felt something,
Okay.
I felt embarrassed, I felt out of my mind, I felt bad. Whatever the word comes, put it there and move on,
Yeah.
right? Then you're lacking connecting words. Try to use some connecting words. Moreover, furthermore, after that, additionally, next, before this, after this, that will help you. And you took one pause, and after that your performance came down. Before that you are speaking confidently, so never let anything happen like this. Okay, then you said, yeah, I take out prints. I took out the
Oh God.
prints. Then you said he behaved. It should have been he behaved. Then you said I understand that. I understood that. So
Right.
grammatical mistakes, and you should stay confident till the end of your speech. Right now, I'll give you 6 band, but with a little improvement in grammar and confidence, you can improve it. Right?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.